sits up there on his leatherette, looks through pictures of the ones that he hasn't had yet. When he thinks he wants a closer